Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to create draft on your iPhone. So first thing you have to do here to create a draft to organize your files is just go into the files. So files will be like this. If you cannot find this application on your home screen, you just need to slide your screen into the left side until you found the app library, and then in this app library search button just type file. When you find it, you just need to click it to open it. And this is the look of the files when you're already inside of the files. And after that, you just need to go click a on my iPhone. You just need to click it, and after that, to create a new folder, you just need to click this three small dots here, and after that, click a new folder. Now you just need to type the name of the folder, for example, random, and after that, just click done. Now you already have this folder. The next thing you have to do is just go adding or put some files inside of the folder. How to do that? For example, we want to move this into the random folder. You just need to click it and hold, and after that you just need to oops, I'm so sorry, and after that you just need to click move. And now you just need to find out which folder that you want to add to, or you want to move it to. Okay, let's find out the random folder. Okay, I found it. Just need to click it, and after that click move, and now those files will be inside of the random folder. So that's the way how to create a new folder on your files. If you found that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.